The HiCAD solution for steel engineering, data exchange made easy. The HiCAD Steel Engineering solution enables the planning of complex constructions, from the creation of the design plans to the generation of the production documents. We will show you the process of data exchange with our professional steel engineering module. At the start of a project, 2D files in DXF or DWG format are still very often used. Of course, these files can be imported into HiCAD without any losses and further processed with numerous 2D functionalities. Furthermore, based on these 2D data, you can directly start with the 3D modeling. For example, with a convenient picking of 2D points for the 3D beam installation. Of course, the 2D data can also be used for 3D processing, such as cutting the profile to a 2D edge. Another highlight is the IFC import interface, which supports all current formats. HiCAD translates the IFC structure into a HiCAD assembly structure during the import process. Thus, the imported steel parts receive the HiCAD Steel Engineering logic and can therefore be processed further with HiCAD functionalities in a comfortable and efficient way. In addition, the imported parts get feature entries, which can be thought of as a history of the creation of the individual parts. This way, all operations are logged transparently and comprehensibly for every user. Likewise, 3D planning aids, such as sectional doors, can be inserted into the model drawing via online BIM catalogs. These 3D data are maintained and made available by the respective manufacturers. In the same way, the tried and tested 3D step interface for purchased parts, such as crane rail with chassis, crane, and conductor rail, can be integrated into the process. HiCAD offers not only very extensive import interfaces, but also corresponding export interfaces, such as IFC, 2D and 3D DXF and DWG, 3D PDF, to name a few of the most frequently used interfaces in civil engineering. Of course, HiCAD also offers export data for machines, such as DSTV-NC, DSTV Product, SDNF, and also interfaces to all kinds of ERP systems.